Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Mariijke Kok, and it's cup number cup 892432_936. It's called Mail Card Time for Football mini kit. You get 2 sheets and it's a quick and easy card. And I've written for any gentleman, but I think for any football fan, I should have written. Because, you know what, it is one of those cards, if you're a football fan, you're going to love this card. And I think it's especially great for teenagers as well. Teenage boys that you might just not know what to make for them. I think it's one of those kits that you should have in your stash anyway. It's for a 7 by 7 inch blank card base. So you will need the 7 by 7 inch blank card for it to fit on. You get 2 sheets. We'll look at the sheets and then we'll make the card. So the first sheet is the main base image and the decoupage. And then we've got some extra sentiments and a blank sentiment as well. The card actually says good luck, but you can change that sentiment to whatever you want it to read. So we're going to change it to congratulations, just to show you that you don't have to use the sentiment on the card front. We've also got the matching insert as well. So it's a nice, quick and easy card to create. So if you're put on the spot to make a card quickly, this could be it. So we've got a 7 by 7 inch blank card base, and all I'm going to do is I've cut out the insert and I've got flat double-sided tape on the back of it, and I'm simply peeling the back of the tape away, and I'm going to just add the insert to the centre of my card like that. There we go. And press it down. So we've got gorgeous insert that's going to match the rest of the card, and we've got a nice area for writing a message as well. So now we can create the card front. So I've taken the main image from the collection. I've got double-sided tape on the back, and I'm simply peeling the tape away. And I'm going to add this to our card front. And hoping I'm going to get it relatively straight. There we go. And then press it down. And then we can build the decoupage on the front. So the first item I've cut out is the trophy. And I've got 3D foam on the back. Now, for any new crafters, where I've cut away the trophy handles, I've actually used a craft knife. But if you've got the small delicate scissors, they would work just as well. So all I'm going to do is place the trophy over the image of the trophy on the card, like so, and press it down. Then I've got the 2 pieces of the watch. I've cut both pieces out. I've got 3D foam on the back of them, and all I have to do is position the decoupage pieces one on top of the other to build up the watch. There we go. Press it down. Next, I've cut out the football and the boot, 3D foam on the back. And again, I position it over the image on the card base. I've cut out the second one, exactly the same, with 3D foam on the back. And I position it over the top of the previous one. And to finish the card off, I'm changing the sentiment from good luck to congratulations, just to show you that you can, and it doesn't matter if you want to use one of the other sentiments, or maybe you want to use the blank one and write your own message in, or maybe stamp it. So again, I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just popping it over the previous message. Now, nobody would know that that used to be good luck, because it now says congratulations. And that is our card finished. Now, I think it's one of those cards that looks as though you've taken a lot of time over it, and you've seen how quick it is. If it isn't for me chatting, we'd have done it twice as quick. But you've got the gorgeous insert that matches the front of the card, a true keeper for any football fan. And it's just a good card, quick and easy. And there's so many more designs that Marge has got on Craftsuprint, so please check them out. I want to give you a reminder of the cup number. It's cup 892432_936. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching. We shall see you next time.